In a truly bizarre twist to the already unpredictable saga of 1000 LB Sisters, Amy Slayton has once again captured the attention of fans and critics alike with a wild story involving a camel bite. Yes, you read that right, a camel bite. But what has sent shockwaves through the fanbase isn't just the strange claim itself, it's that her personal doctor is reportedly not buying it. As speculation grows, questions are being raised about Amy's health, her mental state, and whether this alleged camel bite incident is covering up something far more serious. It all started when Amy Slayton took to TikTok with a bandaged arm, a tearful face, and a wild story. According to Amy, she had recently taken a day trip with her son's and fiancé Brian Lovan to a local petting zoo when she got a little too close to a camel. Amy claims the animal turned aggressive without warning and bit her, leaving behind bruises, swelling, and emotional trauma. She appeared visibly shaken in the video as she held up her bandaged arm, showing fans what she described as a big old bite that came out of nowhere. Amy even claimed she had to visit the ER and get a tetanus shot, and she warned followers to always be cautious around animals, no matter how tame they appear. While some fans showed sympathy and concern, others were quick to question the authenticity of her story. Comments poured in asking why there were no photos of the camel, no zoo name provided, and no official documentation of the bite. Still, Amy stuck to her story, doubling down in a follow-up video where she insisted, "Yeah, it's real. I wouldn't make this up. It hurt like heck and I cried like a baby." But behind the scenes, things weren't adding up. Dr. Proctor, a weight loss and bariatric specialist who has worked with the Slayton sisters for years, reportedly expressed skepticism after reviewing the photos and notes Amy submitted. After her hospital visit, a source close to the production said, he looked at the wound and said it didn't match what a camel bite would typically look like. It looked more like a pressure bruise or an impact injury, not a puncture. The doctor also allegedly asked Amy if there was any chance she had fallen or hit something by accident but didn't want to admit it publicly. That's when things got even messier. According to insiders, Amy became defensive during her next follow-up appointment, refusing to entertain the idea that he wound wasn't from a camel. She allegedly snapped, "Why would I lie about something like this? I got bit." End of story. But behind closed doors, production staff and even some family members were reportedly raising eyebrows. Tammy Slayton, Amy's older sister and co-star, was allegedly not convinced either and reportedly told producers, "She's always been dramatic. It wouldn't surprise me if she bumped into a gate or something and just made up the camel part." Fans of the TLC show aren't strangers to the sisters' tendency for melodrama, but the idea that Amy may have fabricated a camel bite as a distraction from other health or personal issues is troubling. Some believe the incident may be a smokescreen to deflect from her recent struggles, including emotional eating, depression, and issues at home with her fiancé. Amy has been under enormous pressure since her separation from her husband Michael Halterman, which played out in dramatic detail across multiple seasons. Now, with her new partner Brian by her side, fans were hoping she was finally turning a new leaf. But according to family sources, the stress has only intensified. Amy is not in a good place, one insider said. She's overwhelmed, constantly battling her weight, and feels like she's being judged every second. The camel story might be her way of asking for attention or sympathy without admitting the deeper stuff she's going through. Psychologists and behavioral specialists interviewed by media outlets have pointed out that individuals under chronic stress can sometimes fabricate or exaggerate events, not necessarily to deceive others maliciously, but as a way to cope or shift attention from internal struggles. Sometimes, the story becomes a metaphor, one expert explained. It's not always about lying. It's about needing a narrative that explains pain, even if it's not literal. Still, fans want answers. Many have taken to Reddit threads and Facebook groups demanding TLC or Amy herself release more proof. "Where's the zoo footage?" One user wrote. "Zoos have cameras everywhere. If a camel attacked a visitor, it'd be caught on video and the zoo would have made a statement." Another wrote, "It's giving Jussie Smollett but with a camel. I love Amy but we need receipts." So far, no zoo in Kentucky or surrounding areas has reported a camel-related incident matching the date Amy mentioned. Local reporters have also reached out to area petting zoos, and so far, none have confirmed any such encounter took place. That radio silence is only fueling more rumors. Meanwhile, Amy has gone quiet online. Following the backlash and mounting skepticism, she hasn't posted any new updates about the camel or even her daily routine. This is unusual for Amy, who's known for her candid social media presence. Her TikTok account, which was buzzing with content weekly, has been inactive for several days now. Even her loyal fans are beginning to worry. "I just hope she's okay," one user commented. Whether the camel thing is true or not, she clearly needs support. Tammy, who recently wowed fans with her major weight loss and new lease on life, has remained mostly silent on the issue. But sources say she's distancing herself from the drama. Tammy's worked hard to change her image, an insider explained. She doesn't want to get dragged into a storyline that might not even be real. Still, fans are calling for her to address it publicly and urge Amy to be honest. As the controversy continues, some are speculating that the entire incident might be part of a storyline for the upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters. TLC has remained tight-lipped, but the timing is suspicious. Filming reportedly resumed just a few weeks before the camel bite video surfaced. Could this be a setup for a dramatic new plot twist? Or is Amy genuinely struggling with reality and using fantastical claims as a cry for help? Veteran viewer know that 1000 LB Sisters thrives on emotional highs and shocking turns. Whether it's Tammy's health scares, Amy's emotional breakdowns, or family blowouts, the show has always walked the fine line between raw reality and made-for-TV drama. The camel incident may be another blurry entry in that ongoing legacy. As more details emerge, one thing is clear: fans want the truth. And more importantly, they want to see Amy truly heal, physically, emotionally, and mentally. Whether the camel story is real, exaggerated, or entirely fabricated, it's a signal that something is going on behind the scenes that deserves care and compassion. For now, viewers are left with more questions than answers. Was Amy bitten by a camel? Did she make it up? Is this a sign of a deeper issue she's afraid to talk about? Or is this just another quirky chapter in the wild ride that is the Slayton sisters' lives? Until Amy or her doctor breaks the silence with irrefutable proof, this camel mystery will remain one of the strangest unsolved events in 1000 LB Sisters history. One thing's for sure, in the world of the Slayton sisters, you never know what's coming next. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.